How to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do that. So for that, you can open up your Instagram first, and when you go ahead and find this interface in the navigation bar, you can find different options. So I can use this option, this one right here, search bar, and type in the name of the person of the mutual friends account. Like if you're looking for someone's account without knowing their name, you can just go to someone else's account who you think may have been friends with them, who is mutual. So you can just go ahead and search for their name, and after that, after you find that account, you can head over to your profile and you can go through their following or follower list directly. And if you find their account here, you can just go ahead and hit this follow button right beside them, and that should do it. So for now, this is the only method we can apply up, as Instagram only has this feature available that allows us to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.